Hello, welcome back again. So this will be my third power tools. This is the impact wrench. Okay, same thing I bought in Asia. As you can see, you have the Milwaukee Asia. Right. So yeah, this one will be the M12 impact wrench FIW2F12-5252X. They got the one charger and two batteries, but for my case I only have one battery. Bought this about $300, but for the two batteries will be extra $60. But I don't want to spend it that much. I'll buy separately. So let's have a look inside. Okay, let's take this out. I think they have the logo. Yeah, Milwaukee Fuel impact wrench. Let's open this up. Okay, something for the safety precaution. You have this safety rules, company information, user manual, and something another registered company information, and also the manual for the charger, the C12C charger. Right. Okay, so like as usual, you have this charger, and I have this 6 amp battery, only one though. Yeah, because I don't want to spend another $60 for the battery. And on the left hand side you have this one, information about the battery, I guess, and warranty card and the product range. So let's have a look at the impact wrench. This one is a lot heavier. This one I believe is the half anvil. You have the 3 LEDs. Still, I do not know what is this for. This one is to adjust to the left or right. Now I know this will be the battery capacities. And on the top you have this speed level, but there is no button. And there is no bed holder. Right, let's use the 2 amp battery because I'll find it's a lot easier. I'll pop this in. Right, you have the 3 LEDs. Right, okay, now for the top, I'm going to try to change the speed. How to change the speed? There is no button in here, or I just have to press this one. Okay, I'm still trying to figure this out. To the left, to the right. anyone knows how to adjust this speed, because I did change but I couldn't tell. Okay, I just have to press the trigger. Wait, let me try this one more time. Okay, basically just in the normal position and then just hit the trigger to change to 2 and then 3, and this one is for, I think, drilling function. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong, but I'll have to look manual, or someone could put a comment. Yeah, maybe just looking at another review. Right, so this is the impact wrench M12 Milwaukee Field brushless. Okay, now I get it. I just have to press twice to change the speed. Pretty clever. Yep, only on the normal position and press twice, it will change the speed. Right, that's it. Alright, once again, thank you very much for watching my video. So I have the impact wrench, impact drill, and impact driver. Let me play with this and I'll do some review, or maybe the result, next time when I have the opportunity. And once I'm happy or I need something bigger, I'll get the M18 just to uniform all my tools. Right, thank you so much and I'll see you next time. Bye.